Are you feeling defeated, ready to give up and quit? Are you tired of waiting for things to turn around and feeling like you're folding under pressure? Well, listen up, because I want to encourage you. You may be down on your knees, weak, and feeling like this is the end, but I'm here to tell you that it's not. You have a choice to either give up or keep going. You can either fold and cave in, or you can rise up and fight with all you've got. Sure, it may be hard, and it may feel like you're facing a storm, but remember, after every storm comes a rainbow. It's worth fighting for what you believe in, for your dreams, for your goals. It's worth mustering up the strength to stand up inside yourself and fight relentlessly. Yes, there may be rain in your life, but don't view it as something bad. Just like plants need rain to grow, you need these tough times to grow and learn from them. Your greatest moments will come from your greatest defeats, because it's during those times that you will find a way to get back up. You may have thought for 1 minute that you broke me, but let me tell you, I am phenomenally well and won't give up or surrender, and neither should you. Don't stop running towards your dreams, and stay encouraged even during the toughest of times. Remember, it's not going to be easy, but you have what it takes to push through. The rough times are only temporary, and they have come to pass, not stay. So, instead of saying, "I'm having a bad day," say, "I'm having a character-building day." And instead of looking at night and darkness as something negative, look at it as a new beginning. So, don't give up. Stay in it, stay focused, and keep taking one step at a time. Stick your chest out, walk with pride, and know that if it was easy, everybody would do it. But you, my friend, are one of the strong ones who has what it takes to persevere and come out on top. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without